Alright guys, so I'm making a video of some of the steps that I went through building my battery. Um, it did cost me a little small chunk of change, but for what it does, definitely well worth it. I'm gonna post in this video where I bought the batteries from, how much I bought the batteries from, where I got the aluminum bars from, and how much that cost me as well. Shout out to my buddy Ramon here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. He did help me out. He had a drill press, so you have to have a drill press to make this work, or know someone who's going to can tap and drill you some bars for you. So I'm gonna go through everything, give you some comparisons of sizes and dimensions of how big my battery is, and then later on this week, I'm posting another video of me actually doing some real live amplifier testing, not just putting a load tester on the bank and showing you the amperage. No, we'll hook up an actual amplifier, hook up some subwoofers, clamp the amplifier so you can see what it actually pulls from the amplifier and how it actually works, and give you guys an entire view of everything, not just a zoomed in picture of cells, load tester, and fluke and clamp meter. So that's what I'm gonna do later on this week. But this video is just gonna show what I use to make my battery. Also, a couple guys on the D.I.Y Lithium page on Facebook. Thank you guys for some suggestions and helping me out as well. And I'm gonna post all the links to exactly what I did and how I did it. Any questions, let me know. I'm not I'm not a builder by any means. I'm not the lithium king by any means. I'm just showing you guys what I did to make my bank. And if it helps you guys, it's awesome. All right, let me know.
All right, guys. So here are the cells up close. You kind of can see how small they are. To the left, you have the positive, and to the right of this one, so the copper side is the ground. These do have a terminal, so you have screws that set on them. These are the cells the day before I picked them up when they came in from Ramon, and it's kind of all they sit together. This is the first view of them in my house. I was so excited. This is me mocking them up in my car to see how big the bank. This is a 4S configuration. So I was trying to see how big of a battery bank I wanted and I could fit in my car. This right here is the drill press that we use. This is us drill pressing all of the aluminum bars. Understand, guys, this took hours. I'm talking about 3 hours one day and 7 hours the next day. This is the end bars for the bigger bank. So for the positive side and negative of the terminal bank. This video right here, this is of the smaller 44 ampere bank. So originally I was only going to do one big bank of 100 ampere, and because I can't fit multiple alternators, I decided to get another 44 ampere. So that's equal to 32 cells. So what I'm doing right here is showing you how I connect the bars and made them into a 12 volt configuration. So I do have bus bars. So on the left side, you have the positive, and then you connect each of the bus bars each in line so you can get the 12 volt bank. After you do that, you do have to put the screws on each of the terminal posts to screw down the block to make sure it's really strong. Now these voltages have a voltage range between 3.2 and 4.15, so you can get up to right around that 16.2, 16.5 voltage if you have the alternator just to get there for the power. But definitely don't let them touch. They did drop and gave me a nice little spark, so please be careful on what's going on here.
All right, you guys. So real quick. So I've been working on my battery for the longest. I finally got the last 32 cells in, so now I can finally complete my proto bank. It'll be a total of 144 amp hours. So let's unbox it and let's get it started, okay?
All right, guys. So this is me unboxing the video. Quick little time-lapse video. So what we're doing right here, you see the two rivets up top on the left, on the right. That's the part you want to drill out. People have been cutting them, using little Dremels and trying to cut them off, and it's taking forever. So what I did was I got a 13/32 drill bit, and it's drilled dead in the center of the rivet, and they're going to spin off and pop off and make the bars holding it down pop off very, very easy. All you need to do is take a flat head and a little hammer, push the flat head in there, and just twist it and pop the top post off so you can remove the cells. Now, once you remove the cells, this is how the battery looks. Very, very easy and simple to take the cells out at this point in time. Just go right in the middle, center, and just pull one cell out, and it kind of loosens up all the other cells to make them real easy to pull off real quickly. So here's a view of me just popping them out and popping all the cells out. It's only a little plastic piece on the bottom that kind of keeps them in line. And this is the overall view, or top view, once all the cells as they're removed. All right, so this is how far I got. I get ready to go work now. The top bus bars, they're not fixed yet. The bottom ones are on there. So this is how the bank is going to look. So what I'm gonna have is gonna be a wire jump from here to here. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I may just buy another aluminum bar and just strap it from right here to right here. Just joining the two banks. I do not have my balancer yet, but it's gonna be one balancer for the entire bank of cells. So I'm pretty dope, pretty lit. So, all right, guys. So I tried to do a little screen recording, kind of show you guys what to type in on Lithuim. But of course, some of the video I cut off. But all I typed in was 5.5 amp hour lithium cells. And so you pop that in on eBay, either on your phone or computer. The first battery pops up is right here. So it is the lithium nickel nickel oxide cell pack. So I go through all of the different cells. The seller of this is Green Tech Auto, which everyone kind of been buying all the cells from off of eBay. So they're really, really fast shipping and really cheap. The brand is made by Panasonic. So these are the dimensions of the individual cells and the voltage of them. So if you're looking for this cell, look for this exact cell. If you want to build a bank like I did, this the seller. So I go on his page, kind of show some of the other cells. They do sell some of the 4 C-Max cells, and they ship directly to your door. So some people have been going to the junkyard and trying to find some of the C-Max cells themselves a little bit cheaper. So you have multiple options. Secondly, I show some of the aluminum. This is 6061 aluminum grade flat bars. This is what I use for my 44 amp hour. So this is for the smaller 44 amp hour battery. So these are a little bit smaller. If you want the bigger bus bars, they have an option in the store to find the dimensions you need for your door. And these are already cut and they come directly to your door. These took exactly 2 days from the time I ordered it to the time it was in my mailbox. So they're super, super fast. The next one, this right here, these are the 3 pieces. These is what I use for the bus bars in the middle to connect the cell banks to each other to get that 12-volt bank. So you can go here and get the exact one. He's a really good seller. I said everything was shipped to my door in exactly 2 days. So if you guys are looking for something like that, this is perfect. So right here we have a comparison of 2 cells. These are the EH5W cells side by side. Next to the other cells, you can see how much taller and how much thinner it is of these cells side by side. Next video is a little clap video. So that was a clamp video from my buddy Dan Zimmer. He was showing kind of what they really can do on power. So here is the size of my bank. This is the complete 144 amp hour bank. Got some pictures of the dimensions of how long and how big they are going to be. So as far as the width, you're looking right about 17 and a half. Want to be a little close, I guess you can go right about 17 5/8, how you want to do it. The width of it, you're looking right at about 14 and a half, and the actual cell itself from the top of the post is right under 5 inches, but at the top of my lug nuts, you're looking at right about 5 inches. This is the 100 amp hour bank. It's resting at 1404, and the 45 amp hour bank is resting at 13.96. Now, this is why you guys definitely need to have a balancer on the battery, is because of that. Any questions, you guys just let me know. Thank you for watching this long video.